At Thompson Smart Actuation, it's all about control, integrating the electronics inside the mechanical actuators. The printed circuit board that we're using to put into our actuators, making them smart, actually enabling controllability, design flexibility, easier installation for the machine builders. It's also actually makes maintenance easier. There's actually a connection to Industry 4.0 as well, making the actuator able to communicate to other machines. At the end, the benefits of smart actuation is improved controllability, easier installation with less cabling, less components, improved diagnostics capabilities, and at the end, a more efficient solution to the application. The foundation of our onboard controls is our Electrak modular control system, or EMCS that we like to call it. It's really a package of standard functions, but also a set of options that the customer can choose. The EMCS includes the option for potentiometer feedback or encoder feedback. Potentiometer feedback is an absolute position feedback, where you get your position straight off the bat. The encoder feedback is an incremental feedback, which you need to keep track on counting the pulses, but it also gives you the position in another way. End of stroke indication is it's giving you a signal at either end of the stroke. You can actually use that signal as an interlock function to another mechanism. Low-level power switching is really putting the H-bridge inside the actuator, making it easy to control the actuator from the outside using low-level power. The benefit is really using EMCS without having to use complex bus communication. Dynamic braking is actually improving the position accuracy that you're trying to reach. It's preventing the actuator from coasting, and it's working both in extend and retract movements. Another option in the EMCS package is the J1939 CAN bus. It plugs directly into your J1939 network, gives you full control of the actuator, gives you access to condition monitoring and diagnostics of the actuator. Our synchronization option is built into the actuators. It can synchronize 2, 3 or even up to 4 actuators. It makes it possible for several actuators to share the load where maybe one actuator is not the perfect fit for the application. Condition monitoring is part of the safety net built into our EMCS system. It shuts down the actuator at overload, both in extend and retract position. It monitors voltage and temperature to provide consistent performance over the life of the actuator. If you're using bus communication to control our actuator, you can actually get access to that information. Smart actuators can be used pretty much anywhere. We're mainly seeing them being used in 3 different markets, where one of them is factories. We're seeing them being used on lift trucks, on conveyor belts, conveyor systems, automated guided vehicles, and these customers, they really benefit from the controllability of the actuators and the connectivity of the actuators. Another one is the on and off highway market, where we have agriculture vehicles, construction vehicles, marine vessels, and even public transportation. The benefits these customers are seeing with smart actuators are improved efficiency and simplified wiring. And in structural automation, we're seeing smart actuators being used on applications like louvers, getting shade in the sun, stair lift applications, medical mobility devices. These customers enjoy the ease of control of our actuators and the built-in safety functions. At Thompson, we have 3 families of industrial linear actuators that we call smart. The first one being the Electrak HD. It's got the complete EMCS package built in, giving you the enhanced controllability. It does the synchronization up to 4 actuators. It does loads up to 16 kilonewton of power, both in extend and in retract. And it's got a capacity of 1 meters of stroke. And it's got the best-in-class IP rating in a very compact package. It's actually an ideal alternative to a hydraulic system. Our Electrak Throttle is one of our smallest actuators. It's got up to 500,000 cycles of life at the dynamic load. It's got an IP rating which is really for demanding environments. It's our first actuator with the onboard J1939, and with the J1939 you can actually put that in an excavator to enable the auto-idle function, which in turn creates a reduction of noise and fuel consumption. Lastly, about our Electrak actuator, it's got the highest power density in the market. It's got a really good IP rating. It's the quietest actuator in our family. It's got the EMCS control package, and it's got the functionality to do synchronization. Actually, a very good fit application would be on a powered wheelchair. If you're looking for enhanced control in your machine design, Thompson Smart Actuators are your ideal solution.